here PAM, PWM, PPM, modulation and demodulation. Experiment number 7. There are 3 experiments: pulse amplitude modulation, pulse position modulation, pulse width modulation, performed by this kit number 2110. There are 2 input signals. First is the discrete signal, second is the information signal. It means sinusoidal signal. Connected by this signal, this is called discrete signal. Connected by this point, this is the information signal. It means sinusoidal signal. Experiment number name is the pulse amplitude modulation. Pulse amplitude modulation. Circuit diagram is here. There are 2 input signals. First is the discrete signal. This is the pulse signal, input signal. Second is the information signal is here, connected by this port. Pretend here. This is the discrete signal, pulse signal. This is the sinusoidal signal, and output is here. Output the sample and output signal, and second output signal is sample and hold signal, and third output signal is the flat top output signal. There are 3 output signals. First is the sample output, second is the sample and hold signal, third is the flat top signal. This is called modulation signal, and demodulated by this circuit diagram. This output signal is connected by using a low pass filter. Output signal is here. Signal is distorted using AC amplifier signal. AC amplifier signal is not working here. So low pass filter signal, output signal is here. It means input signal and output signal both are same. Second output signal is sample and hold signal. This is the input signal. Third is the loose, so output is proper, not so. This is the demodulation of this signal, and output of this filter is here. It means output signal and input signal both are same. It means demodulation is complete. This experiment has been done, pulse amplitude modulation. Experiment number 2 is the pulse position modulation. Pulse position modulation using is the input signal is here. This is sinusoidal signal. It is connected by this port, and output signal is the pulse position modulation. According to this switch, position will be changed. It means minimum amplitude of this input is pulse signal is here. and amplitude is changed. The pulse output will be changed according to output signal. Position will be changed. Previous output signal and varying the amplitude signal, position will be changed according to output signal. This is the pulse position modulation. And pulse width modulation, this is called modulation. And demodulation using by filter, output signal is same. ये हो गया आपका डीमॉड्यूलेशन ऑफ पल्स पोजीशन मॉड्यूलेशन. थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट इज पल्स विड्थ मॉड्यूलेशन, यानी कि यूजिंग ऑफ दिस सर्किट डायग्राम टू इनपुट सिग्नल इज पेयर. फर्स्ट इज द पल्स सिग्नल, second is the sinusoidal signal, this port is loose, connected by pulse width modulation, pulse input signal and sinusoidal signal. Output is here. This circuit is not properly working. It means pulse width modulation is this position width is the varied by this output signal. This is called modulation. And demodulation using this output signal, using this low pass filter. This is the demodulation circuit diagram. It means output signal of the pulse width modulation and input signal both are same. It means input signal is here, sinusoidal signal, or output signal is here, both are same. This is the modulation and demodulation. This experiment has been done.